Good afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, responding fire. Let's take a look at what's going on here, and we can see showers and thunderstorms here on the radar screen out towards Blacksburg, past Roanoke. We have one that fired up not far from my house. We can hear the thunder down here going to go across towards Manita if it holds together. We got some more storms up near Buchanan. As you see on the left screen here, we have our actual velocity, nothing really going on there. So right now, nothing severe. Go further south, a line of showers, thunderstorms here in Pulaski and Wytheville, and some going into North Carolina. So not much going on there. So we're going to switch over to the Storm Prediction Center, where currently today we actually have showers and thunderstorms. It's going to be rough because I move this out of the way. Our thunderstorms, slight risk here in Maine, parts of New Hampshire, but marginal risk, full population now, population roll. These towns, East Grant, New York City, Springfield, Boston, and parts of the areas of North Carolina. I don't know if that's in seconds. But anyway, all the way down through the Mid-Atlantic, north of Virginia. That'll change tomorrow, as we're actually going to have a marginal risk over the area. This would include Philadelphia, Roanoke, Charleston, West Virginia, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, New York City, Rochester, Syracuse, all in the area for potential severe weather, also out in the Midwest. And when we take a look down here in the information, basically we're going to have moist air mass with surface dew points in the mid-60s to the 70s, which is going to be instability. Showers, thunderstorms expected as the morning, and then we'll impact the stabilization of the heating. Areas that get sunny again will have damaging winds. I wouldn't be surprised if we also would have a tornado. Also, a slight risk area may come into this location. I always like looking at this. Storms will start firing into the overnight hours, and tomorrow, boom, there you go. There's your showers and thunderstorms developing rather quickly in the afternoon. Some may be severe, so we're going to have to keep an eye on that. And that we'll have to see something we watch very closely tomorrow afternoon. And like I said, it looks like some of these storms will then die out closer to the weekend as we get a cold front coming in. But like I said, showers and thunderstorms can be expected from the Delaware Valley all the way down here to the Roanoke Valley. And then we take a look at the thing. Actually, it's very more of a damaging with threat than anything. For anyone that actually plows snow, is that something you do? We would like you to go for a free trial here with the Weather Pros WeatherTech service. Basically, you get your custom graphics. It's not an app, so you're not getting the app. What apps do is give you one model run. We give you straight information. We'll show you here in a minute. Easy to read graphics, award-winning forecast. If you do a trial, you get a sample post-storm, which that's my specialty, and slip, slip, and fall. We are on call for 24/7. Audio and text are available for the drivers. We'll have custom long range and short range, and compare this to any weather service you want. This is the weather service you want. No waiting for the television. No one model based apps. Get real forecasts from a real team of meteorologists, including myself, Jared Mornay, chief meteorologist and owner of this, Rob Garino. And it's a free 7-day trial. Some idea what this will look like. You get it on your phone. You get the update, the meteorologist, what kind of snow, and then go through the models. But this is not a forecast. The forecasts are even more in depth, and that will even go into temperatures on your actual ground versus grass. So this is a great forecasting service, and I highly recommend it to anybody. We get, like I said, if you sign, you'll get post-storm with it, flip, trip, and fall with it. It's a great, and we're definitely cheaper than any other weather service you may have for what you're going to get. So please, theweatherpros.com is where you want to go. I'll show you that site in a minute after I'm done showing you something for Philadelphia. But that's where you want to go for sign up, and I'll show you how that goes in a minute. A little sneak peek of what's going on for the winter outlooks here. 2018-2019 looking good. We're classified in the area of a moderate neutral, before. This is a good sign here for you. And weak El Ninos produce the most snow. And guess what? We're looking at in Philadelphia. Above average. Last winter was 29.8. Average snowfall is 21.2. Winter expected 33 inches. Now, I'm going to, this is not Roanoke, but if you look at, I'll tell you what I'm going to actually forecast here for Roanoke. Last winter was a pitiful, and I mean pitiful, 18 inches. Average snowfall falls around 20, 18 to 20. This winter, I'm expecting at least 25 inches of snow in Roanoke, maybe more, depending on what happens. I also think ice will be an issue, so we have to keep an eye on that. And that's in Roanoke, Virginia. So, anyhow, now what you have to do to sign up for our service. So you go to theweatherpros.com, TheWeatherPros, all one word, .com. You'll put your name, your email, if you currently use a weather service, the number of trucks that you plow with. How did you find us? Just say, Facebook and name or referral of Nadine D. Davidson, the company that you run, and the cities that you cover, and questions, etc. Phone number for text, so we can give you a free trial. Also, you have to be human, so you have to know how to do a little basic math. It's like putting an expert back. Meteorologist Rob Marino has been around for a very good amount of time. Very accurate forecaster, great leader. 24 on-call text or call consultation. Salt plus foul decisions. We'll give you the model trend. Snowfall verification. We're going to probably have guaranteed within 24 hours for the smaller storms. The bigger storms, they're going to be a little bit longer than that. It's going to be something new we're doing this year because we found out last year it was terribly hard with the Weather Service downsizing. The amount of people that we get accurate information. So we'll give you a guarantee of a good snowfall verification, short and long-term outlooks, and bid prep packages. I mean, do that now because you get some information. We know the snow and salt business. Meteorologist Dean Davidson here from the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, and Responding Fire. Please give us a try today. Have a great one. And everybody, this trial is free for any outdoor side type businesses, so please do that. If you're in Virginia or any state in the Union, this is good for. We even have somebody in Canada. So I'll just give you an idea. Please give us a try today. And also see me over at Responding Fire, where we'll continue to update weather on the dot for the local area. Meteorologist Dean Davidson.